Ladies and gentlemen, guys and gals, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a cold and dark startup in the 737-200. I'm sorry that I haven't been recording for the past week. I've been on vacation, but we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. We're going to be using our checklist right here. I did a cold and dark startup video a while back, but I'm going to do this one because I messed up some parts on the first cold and dark startup that I did. So yeah. So step one, before we start checklist, battery on. Let's go and turn it on. It's gonna say DC power. APU. Where's APU? Our APU is right here. I'm gonna hold that down for 4 seconds. I'm gonna let it rise. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on our packs. Put an isolation valve completely open. APU bleed on. Gas proof fan can also go on. We're gonna wait for our APU to start up. But while we're waiting for our APU to start up, we can go ahead and turn on all of our lights. So we can turn on our position lights or our strobe lights. Position, anti-collision, wing light, logo light can all go on. We're gonna see exit lights. We're gonna arm those. We're gonna do our stall warning. It's checked. Since we did emergency lights, let's go ahead and do fire. Checked. Here's our APU. Our APU is ready. Once this switch lights up, that means it's ready. It already lit up, so I pressed it. You want to leave your galley power or your AC off for it now. Cooling to alternate. Okay, emergency lights. Yeah, we already did that. Packs as required. Packs are required. Our packs are as required. Window heat on. Let's turn these ones on. You can turn on a P dot heat. Let's go ahead and do some more warning. Airspeed warning. Okay, and since power is on because we turned on the APU, I'm going to tune in the KLAX tower because we are at KLAX. So that's 133.900. You can see it light up there. I'm going to get rid of that. Let's go ahead and turn on. Oh, hold on. Radio transponder set. Parking brake set. Yep. APU start. We already did that. Yeah. Blah blah blah. Engine start checklist. So on the engine start. Beacon light. Yep. That's on. Galley power is off. Check. Galley power is off. Bleed PSI. Well, can't really do that yet, but we can turn our packs off. Check for bleed PSI. Okay. 30% or 30% or above. We can go ahead and we do engine number 2, then we do engine number 1. So here's the engine number 1 ground switch, obviously very important. But before we do that, I want you to set up your altitude selector to your flight altitude or your cruising altitude. Let's just say it's 30,000 feet. We're going to do that. We're going to hit pressurize the cabin. That's very important. Landing altitude, just set it to 3,000 feet. So that's when you depressurize. At this time, you would program the FMS, but we're not going to be doing that for this video. So engine number 1, switch to ground. Packs are off. We're gonna wait for this to, where is it? Yeah, we're gonna wait for this to rise to 20% N2. As we can turn on our fuel pumps. There's 20% N2. I just looked at it in the corner of my eye. So here's 20% N2. That's when you introduce fuel to engine number 2, which is right here. Okay, once you see the switch go back to the off position, we're gonna switch engine number 1 to ground. Wait for it to rise to 20% N2. Introducing fuel to engine number 1. Okay, engines are alive. We can go ahead and turn on their pads. Pressure is coming alive. We can go ahead and turn on our AC, or galley power. Turn on the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs. And we can go to, Elex can go on. Okay. So now that you see that we have a running engine, let's go ahead and just fast travel to the runway. Okay. So if we take off, you want to leave your engine switches to the off right now. Runway lights can go on, landing lights can go on, taxi lights should already be on because you should have already taxied, but we fast traveled. Cabin is pressurized. Our packs are on. You're going to want to go, it's flaps 2 normally for takeoff and flaps 5 for landing, or flaps 5 starting at 3,000 feet, then you go flaps full right upon touchdown. You can release the parking brake. Bring your power all the way up to turn. Okay, we're gonna go N1 toga, or take off power set, N1 toga. And once this, you'll hear the dude, you'll hear your co-pilot talk. Once he says V1 rotate, that's your V1 rotate speed, so you need to pull back.
80 knots.
So 80 knots airspeed is live. V1.
V1. Rotate.
Rotate. Flaps 1, positive rate, gear out. Autopilot engage, altitude forward set. We can go ahead and turn on heading select. Go flaps all the way up. And you can put your engine switches to low ignition.
Right, you're clear to land.
We can also put our gear to the off position. Ladies and gentlemen, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.